How to recover Fantasy Premier League account password. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, we're going to see a quick and easy way to recover your Fantasy Premier League account password. First off, head over to your Premier League application. Now, if you aren't already logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. So you can just tap on this and then tap on sign in to my PL. You'll be taken directly to the login page here. So all you have to do is click on reset password at the bottom of your screen. Just tap on it. You'll be taken to this page where you have an option to enter your email address. Go ahead and enter your email, tap on submit. What it's going to do is send a recovery code to your email. So let me just go ahead and open my Gmail real quick. And as you guys got this email from Premier League to reset my password, so I can just copy this code. And then from here, I can go back to my Premier League, enter the recovery code, and enter a new password and submit. If the code is correct, your password is going to be reset and you can use this new password to log in. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.